Come back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new token. From this token you can get very big reward. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. If you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notifications. So simply we can go to the website. As you can see, the website was open. VR1 token is the name of this project, and the detail and links of this project was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then join this project. So friend, it's a gaming cryptocurrency coin or a token, and it was based on Solana blockchain, so it's give you a very big profit in future. It's a good time for investing in it, and you can financially grow very fastly. So simply I will review about this token and tell you all information, and tell you how you can buy and get more information about this project. So simply we can scroll down. As you can see, the about section and detail of this project was available. VR1 token is the name of this project, and next gen gaming experience you can see in this project in future. And also you can see with a massive 10,000 SQFT VR gaming facilities already thriving in Mediterranean and many more location you can see. And it also gave you a P2E gaming system, and you can simply and play and earn money from this project, and give you a total rewards and each and everything. So must join it and be the member of this project and gain digital assets. So these are the main thing about this project. You can must read, and then you can see play, earn, own, welcome to future of gaming. And it's also a real world gaming, give you a real world gaming facilities and many more things. So simply must read the detail and then participate in it, and must watch the video of this project to get know about other thing of this project and get more information. You can simply trade on it and get a very big profit. So I will tell you how you can buy it and how you can trade on it and get a big profit in future. So simply we can scroll down. You can see the contract address of this project was available, and this VR token was also listed on Dex Scanner, Bitmart, and 2bit. You can see, and I will share with you how you can go and buy this. So first of all you can see on it on Bitmart. So simply we can go and you can simply purchase from it, and then you can go to 2bit and you can also purchase from it. And I will share with you on Dex Scanner. Simply I complete my verification, then I will show you how you can buy it from Dex Scanner. So it's a very simple and easy method, and you can also see it on Bitmart or 2bit and many other exchanges. So it's grow very fastly and give you a very big reward. As you can see, current prices and market cap, liquidity, each and everything was available on screen, and you must read the detail and then buy from here, and you can simply hold it and get very big profit. So these are the main detail, and now you can see social media accounts and links was also available. So must read it and then be the member of this project. It's based on fast Solana blockchain, power VRL, arcade ecosystem, and many more things you can see. And it also provide you a gaming opportunity. You can simply earn it from gameplay, and it's a very good and easy method of earning. And you can see the current price of this token was available 0.035, and it's grow very fastly and give you a very big reward. So must participate in it, and it's a good opportunity for you. And the link of this token was available in the description of the video. You can simply go and then you can easily buy it. So these are the main detail about this project. Hopefully you will know how it's work and how you can buy it. So we can scroll down more. You can see a very important part of this project's a roadmap. It's tell you about how my thing was developed, and in future how my thing you can see in this project. As you can see, full ecosystem and AI bot system and many more things you can see in this platform. Also it introduce NFT marketplace and many more opportunities. So these are the main detail, and now you can see the tokenomics of this project was available. Community tokens and governance and funds, liquidity, exchange listing, and each and everything was available with detail. You can see and must read it and then participate in it and get profitable. So these are the main detail about this project, and I will tell you how you can buy. And must join the social media account of this project. I will share with you the Twitter account. Must follow it for latest updates and news. As you can see, this coin token was going very fastly, and VR1 is now officially listed on Bitmart. As you can see, So simply you can go and buy from Bitmart, or you can also buy from 2bit. It's listing coming soon, so it's a very good opportunity for you, and it's grow more, so it's a good time for investing on it and get more profit in future. So must join the social media for latest updates, and also join the Telegram community of this project to get more information and more update about this project. So it helps to more you to grow in this community and earn more profit. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be meet in next video.